Gusto yung negas ko po.
Kiss din ako. Students, scholars, do you still remember all the vocal exercises I taught you?
Yes. Teacher. Sister pala. Sister, ako naalala ko lahat, sister.
Yes, my favorite student, JR.
You remember me, sister?
Yes, JR.
Okay.
Then, what did I teach you?
Marami. Marami, sister. Yung mga exercises natin, sister, yung
Okay lang, okay lang.
open, yes, yung ganito, sister.
Open mind.
Ganito. Good, like that.
Understand, understand.
Yung ito pa, sister, yung close.
Narinig mo.
Close. Close.
Yes, yes,
Like that, sister.
yes. When I asked my teacher, I told you so many things.
This is my favorite, sister.
Narinig mo ba?
Lip drill. Yes.
That's my favorite too.
Yes, your favorite, sister. I know, your favorite. Just, we did it last night, okay? Like this. Lagi kong lawin na tapos. Yes. Shower, sister. Yes, lechon.
Maga. Siguro mga 5 o'clock, alis na ako kalahati.
Tayo, anak, okay? Kanta na tayo, sige. Huwag mo kalimutan lang. Itinuro ko sa'yo.
Ay, nagsasalita pa lang. Parang drama-drama. Ayan o.
Ang communication sa singing.
Ano na? Ano na? Ano sabi mo?
An emotion.
Masabi mo ka? Ano? Hello, musta? Tara. Hindi ka ako called eh. Naya, coffee?
Correct.
Coffee.
Paano naman ate mo?
The company at saka PDA.
Mali-mali ang tsaka-tsaka.
The company at saka PDA.
Hinga.